Okay, look at here. The question is 65. You can see now. Okay, 65, 60, 55, etc. The sum is 0. When we add, then how many terms is there? We have to find out the number of terms. Look, Sn equal to 0. So that means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Either this 0 or this 0. But n by 2 not equal to 0. Reason what? N cannot be 0. Okay. Number of times not 0. So therefore 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. That is 2 into 65 plus n minus 1 into d is 60 minus 60 minus 65 minus 5 equal to 0. 130 minus 5n plus 5 equal to 0. So minus 5n equal to minus 135. N equal to 27. 135 divided by 5 equal to 27. That means 27 term is there. Right first. So our test is Sunday. Sunday test is AP. Okay. Okay. So next question. Right. How many terms of the series? Careful. How many terms of the series? Not AP. So you have to check it. How many terms of the series? 54, 51, 48. 54, 54, comma 51, 48. Be taken so that their sum is 513. Their sum is 513. Their sum is 513. Explain the double answer. Explain the double answer. Once again, how many? Listen, how many terms of the series? 54, 51, 48, etc., etc. Be taken so that their sum is 513. The sum is 513. Explain the double answer. Okay, that means if you get two answer, you have to explain why you got answer. If there is no answer, nothing to explain. Like if you have income, you have to pay tax. There is no income. If you sleep in street, no need to worry about it. Like that. Okay. If you get two answer, more than one answer, you have to explain. Here, no need to explain why only one answer only. Okay, try this one. No, Sri Lanka, it's wrong. $37. I think it is wrong. Everyone getting 37? How? 54, 51, 48, etc., etc. So that their sum is 513. Okay, let's try first. Dila, that is correct. 18 and 19, right? Jonathan also got 18 and 19. Hey, come on. How come number of times higher minus 134? Number of terms, number of students, how come negative? Why announcing that answer, such a stupid answer? Number of students cannot be negative or fractions. Okay. Look at here. Look. Here, 54. Listen all. 54. Then 51. Next is 48, right? Okay, so etc. The sum is 513. You write like this: Sn equal to 513. That is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 513. Then n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 513 into 2. Okay, applying now. N into 2a, 2 into 54 plus n minus 1 into d is negative 3 equal to 1026. Okay, so n into 108 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 1026. Okay, then n into 111n minus 3n equal to 1026. Okay, bring 111n minus 3n square equal to 1026. Okay, we can cut by 3. 37n minus 3n equal to 3n square. No, n square equal to 1026 divided by 3, how much? Anyone? 1026 divided by 3, how much? 342. Okay, 342. That is n square minus 37n plus 342 equal to 0. If you want, you can split or go to BISCA minus 4SC. N minus 18 into n minus 19 equal to 0. That means n equal to 18, 19. That means, okay, we got 2 answers now. Unfortunately, we got 2 answers. We have to explain that one. Look. Okay. Minus 344. No, I take it other side on n square minus 37n plus 342. Correct or not? Lakshmi. Plus only. I didn't take 2 one side changes. Right? Correct or not? Check your book. Okay, so now look at here. Now we got so listen, S18 equal to 513. Listen, S18, sum of 18 time also, S18 513, S19 also 513. How it's happened? What is the reason for double answer? You have to explain that. What is the reason for double answer? S18 equal to 513, S19 equal to 513. Zero is the zero also term. That means which term zero? 19th term will be zero. Look at here. We had show that one. A19 equal to A plus 18D. A what? 54 plus 18 into minus 3. So 54 plus minus 54 equal to 0. That means we just write 19th term is A19 equal to, show like this. A19 equal to A plus 18D. So 54 plus minus 54 0. That's the reason for double answer. This is the reason for double answer. Okay. Clear now? Everyone okay? You understood what explain? Okay. Whereas, look, you got n and you got n equal to 18 and 19. You got whereas. Okay, reason I'll tell you. Okay, you got, listen, you got n equal to 18 and n equal to 19. I tell you, look at here. A short example. Come on, a short example. 10, 5, 0. Okay, like this, 3 times in an AP. 10, 5, 0 in an AP. What about S3? 10 plus 5 plus 0. How much? 15. S2 is what? 15. Reason what? Third term is 0. That because 10 plus 5 plus 0, 15. 10 plus 5 also 15. So that's the reason for double answer. Clear now? Okay. So n equal to 18. You show A19. A19 we got 0. That is the reason for double answer. Clear now? Okay. Okay, so but it's always not it's not necessary like that. Okay, next term is 0, not always correct. Okay, sometimes different also comes. Okay, so now this one clear now. So try next question. Okay, how many times of the AP? How many times next same time? How many times of the AP? How many terms of the AP? 45. How many terms of the AP? 45, 39, 33, etc. Must be taken. Must be taken. How many terms of the AP? 45, 39, 33 must be taken so that their sum is 180. Their sum is 180. How many terms of the AP? 45, 39, 33 must be taken so that their sum is 180. 180. Explain the double answer. Explain the double answer. Okay, do it now. AP is 45, 45, 39, 39, 33, 33, etc. must be taken so that the sum is 180. Explain the double answer. Okay, do first. 180. Okay, answer you got 10 and 6. Okay, reason what? What will be the reason? Look at here. I'll show you one dummy case. Are you okay for all? Got 6 and 10. 6 and 10. 16. Hey, come on. Okay, the question is what? Look at here. Look. Everyone got 10 and 6? Okay, then I'll start from that. Okay, look at here one dummy case. Look, 10. Okay, my 7, 4, 1, my minus. Then what? Minus 3, right? Oh, it's not work. Okay, 10. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, like this. Sometimes, look at here. Look, it's a dummy case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what about S9? Just find out manually. S9, how much? 10 plus 6 plus, sorry, 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. How much? No, this is Vishal. This is a dummy question, listen here. 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. How much? 18. Okay. What about S2? S2 is what? 18. Correct or no? 10 plus 8. Then what is the reason? Reason is what? After second term, look at here. After second term, the terms are diminishing. Look, here 6 and this 6 cancel. This one and this one cancel. This is cancel. This is 0. That is the reason for double answer. Okay. The reason is since the D is negative. Okay. After second term, the terms are cancel out each other. So you can write what? Now come to our answers. You got 10 and 10 and 6 and 10. That means after sixth term, remaining terms cancel out each other. You write like this. Since D is negative, after sixth term, the terms cancel out each other. Okay, right? Reason, right? Since the common difference is negative, since D is negative, therefore terms go on diminishing. The terms go on diminishing. Okay, then after sixth term, terms cancel out each other. Terms cancel out each other. Therefore, S6 equal to S10 equal to 180. S6 equal to S10 equal to 180. Are you okay now? The reason is the terms cancel out each other. That is the reason for double answer. Okay, clear now? No, not required to show. Even if it's show, it's not a zero now. So not to show that. Okay, reason, Maria, listen. Right? Since D is negative, terms are diminishing. That means decreasing. Hence, after sixth term and remaining terms, the terms after sixth and all cancel out each other. That's the reason for double answer. Okay. Okay. So next question. Are you okay now? Clear all. Come on. Finish everyone. So today we'll finish this chapter. Then it's your long waiting trigonometry. Okay, it's a very good chapter. This chapter will continue. Trigonometry will continue all the classes. 11th, 12th, engineering, even physics, chemistry, everywhere trigonometry application there is. Without trigonometry, you cannot start any chapter in 11th and 12th. Everything, all chapters linked with the trigonometry. So very careful that. Okay, so next question. Clear now? Okay, right. A thief run away from a police station. A thief run away from a police station with a uniform speed of. This is a decent thief. That's why he keeping the uniform speed. With a uniform speed of 100 meter per minute. 100 meter per minute. A thief, once again, a thief run away from a police station, okay, with a uniform speed of 100 meter per minute. First line, okay? Hello. First line, clear or not? 100, yes, 100 meter per minute. 100 speed, 100 meter per minute. 100 meter, that means in 1 minute, 100 meter, like that. 100 meter is a good speed for us. Why? Okay, why so sad? Thief is very slow. Thief family only sad? No, why you sad? Okay, so 100 meter, 1 minute, 100 meter is good speed. Okay, look at here. Now, question. Listen. First part clear or not? Okay. Second line. After 1 minute. Look. After 1 minute, a policeman runs after. After 1 minute, a policeman runs after the thief. After 1 minute, a policeman runs after the thief to catch him. After 1 minute, a policeman runs after the thief to catch him. Okay, the line okay? After 1 minute, a policeman runs after him to catch him. That means after 1 minute, police started to catch him. Okay, clear now? Okay, listen here. The usually like that only now. The first thief runs, then only police start. It's not cannot start together. It's not a match. Police and thief started together, right? This one now 36. First thief, the 337 police started. Okay, like that. Okay, then he goes. The police he goes with a speed of 100 meter per minute. 100 meter per minute in the first minute. 100 meter per minute in the first minute. And increase its speed and increase its speed by 10 meter per minute every succeeding minute. Up. Look once again. He goes with a speed of 100 meter per minute in first minute. That means first minute 100 meter per minute, and increase his speed by 10 meter per minute okay, every succeeding minute. That means every succeeding minute he increase the speed. Okay, then last line. After how many minutes the police will catch the thief? After how many minutes the police will catch the thief? After how many minutes the police will catch the thief? Okay, once again I'll read the full question. Listen here. A thief run away from a police station with a uniform speed of 100 meter per minute. After 1 minute, a police runs after him to catch him. He goes with a speed of 100 meter per minute in the first minute and increase his speed by 10 meter per minute every succeeding minute. After how many minutes the police catch the thief? Okay. Clear now? Question or got or not? You only said finish the question, and now you're saying slowly. Okay, now look at here. So why Avishan you keep on disconnecting? You buy a new line, man. Only for your class. On 5G, buy. Your area 5G is available. Under division. What is that one? Still under what? Development? No, it's working. It's working, man. I paid for 5G. Okay, 2 days back, and they told me to check your area will get or not. They sent me a link. Listen, those who are planning to buy 5G, careful. Okay, they send me a link to check whether range is there. I checked, it is range there. Then they told me to pay the money. I paid. Okay. Then he asked me the PASI number. Okay, there is a PASI number now in front of our house. Okay, that time he said, no, your house, except your house, range is there. This area, everywhere is there. My house, no, range is not there. So careful those who buying 5G. Okay, then I requested to return the money. They didn't give the money, but they changed the plan. Another plan they gave. I cannot go to a new house, man. Okay, I plan to go to a new house because you're not coming. Really, your suggestion is good. I have planned to change house because now I can change. Before I cannot change because how can I go along with this 300 students? Now I can go anywhere. Even I can shift to India also. I had a plan to go to shifting to Abu Haifa or some other areas, but it is not easy to move with the students. Maybe that watchman or neighbors will make problem. Okay, but now no problem. Anywhere I can go. Okay. Look at here. Okay, then so except all this area, everywhere is the 5G. My house, they send me a picture. Okay. So those who plan to take 5G, careful, they will cheat you. Okay. Okay, I'll send you. Okay. Let me take that picture. Okay, so we'll see the next question. Okay. Our Arjun only said here. Our Arjun, no, batch B Arjun, he said that STC is good here like that. It's not his problem. It's my house problem. Okay, it is there. You can check the plan. Okay, look at here now. The question. No, they will give money. They will return it. Okay. They will give another plan. Another plan is they give. Okay. So no, actually my plan was another provider. So better another provider. If one not working, we can start the class now like that. Okay, come to the question. Look. Look, the question is a thief. Look, listen here. A thief run away from a police station at a speed of 100 meters per minute. Okay. After 1 minute, police started. Okay. We can assume. Look at here. Don't write now. We assume that police runs after police catch the thief after n minutes. Agree or no? Hey, listen. We assume that police catch the thief after n minutes. Okay. By the time thief, how many minutes runs? Hmm? 1 minute? Hey, come on. 1 minute. 2 minutes? No. Aditya, you're right. Aditya, correct. N plus 1 minute. Correct or no? Right? Haira, don't answer like that. Listen, the question. Listen. listen. A thief runs with a uniform speed of 100 meter per minute. After 1 minute, police runs after him. So that means, suppose when police catch the thief 10 minutes, thief runs 11 minutes. Correct or no? After 1 minute only police started. So right now in note, let the police catch the thief after 10 minutes. Right, the police, write the note. The police catch the thief after 10 minutes. Police catch the thief after 10 minutes. Police catch the thief after 10 minutes. Hence, thief runs n plus 1 minutes. Thief runs, by the time thief runs n plus 1 minutes. Okay. Wait. What is speed of the thief? Speed of the thief is what? Speed of 100 meter per minute. Oh, okay, enough. 100 meter per minute. Okay, speed, listen, speed 100 meter per minute. Time n plus 1. So distance traveled by the thief, n plus 1 into 100. Okay, call it number 1. Then write distance traveled by the thief. Distance traveled by the thief equal to n plus 1, 100 into n plus 1. 100 into n plus 1. 100 into n plus 1. Okay, 100 into 100 into n plus 1. This is called number 1. Okay, now come to police. Police first minute 100 meter, next 110, then 120, etc. Like that, n minutes. It's an AP. Police, not decent police. Thief, very decent because he keep the speed uniform. That's why easy for us, right or no? Police not like that. He first 100 meter, then 110, here 120, like that. So after n minutes, police catch the thief. Okay, look at here. Are you okay? Suppose a thief start from Fahid. He reach Findas. Okay, then when the police catch, where he reach? To catch the thief, police should reach where? Findas, correct or no? Otherwise, police reach only Abu Alifa? No way. Police reach Salmiya? No way. Right or no? Listen, when the police catch the thief, the distance traveled by the thief and police will be same. Correct or no? Right? Okay, therefore, the distance traveled by the police is n by 2 into 2 into 100 plus n minus 1 into 10. This is the distance traveled by the thief. So that is n by 2 into 200 plus 10n minus 10. Okay, n by 2 into 190 plus 10n. Correct or no? 200 minus 10. Okay, we can cut by 2. N into 190 divided by 2, 85. 85? 95, no? 95 plus 5n. Correct or no? 190 divided by 95. Okay. So that means 95n plus 5n square. This is number 2. Look, listen here. Listen. You can hear now. The distance. Listen here. The distance traveled by the police is 95n plus 5n square. It's an AP. Okay. Now both should be equal. Okay, right up to here. Right first. Okay. So how much you got? Both are equal means look, the concept okay, no? 100n plus 100 equal to 95n plus 5n square. Okay, bring all, take the other side. 5n square minus 5n minus 100 equal to 0. We can cut by 5. N square minus n minus 20 equal to 0. How much this one? N minus 5 into n plus 4 equal to 0. So n equal to 5. Time cannot be a negative. N equal to minus 4 man. Abhimanyu. Correct or no? No, yeah, minus 4. No. Correct or no? Minus 5. Yeah, my plus 4, right? Okay. So that means n equal to 5. That means after 5 minutes, police catch the thief. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay, Rubasri, which part to explain? The full part or where? The last part. Okay, look at here. A thief run away from a police station. Okay, with a speed what? 100 meter per minute. Okay. After 1 minute, police runs behind him to catch the thief. Okay. The question is when the police catch the thief. Okay, we assume that after n minute, police catch the thief. Okay, by the time a thief runs n plus 1 minute, correct or no? That part clear or no? When police catch the thief, thief runs 1 minute extra. That means n plus 1 minutes. Okay, this thief speed is 100 meter per minute. Therefore, distance covered by the thief is n plus 1 into 100. This here, n plus 1 into 100. That part is clear or not? Okay. Then, second part, the police runs, okay, first 100 meter, next 110, then 120, etc. It's an AP. Okay. So we can find the distance traveled by the thief. That means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to, we have to find out that is the distance traveled by the thief. That is n by 2 into 2a, 200 plus n minus 1 into d is 10. Okay, so n by 2 into 200 plus 10n minus 10, that is n by 2 into 190 plus 10n. So n into 95 plus 5n. Okay, so 95n plus 5n square. Okay, this is the distance traveled by the police. Up to here, okay or not? Okay. Now, this one and this one equal, right? Why? Distance traveled by the police and thief same. Okay, equating that part also I'll show you. Okay, same distance. So now look at here. 95 n plus 5n square equal to 100 n plus 100. Coming here, 5n square minus 5n minus 100 equal to 0. We can cut by 5. N square minus n minus 20 equal to 0. N minus 5 into n plus 4 equal to 0. N equal to 5. Now clear or not? Okay. So complete all. Okay, so next question, right? Right. Right. Reshma wanted to save. Reshma wanted to save. Reshma wanted to save SAVE at least 6,500 rupees. 6,500 rupees for sending her daughter to school. For sending her daughter to school next year, in bracket right, after 12 months. Next year after 12 months. Once again, Reshma wanted to save at least 6,500 rupees for sending her daughter to school next year after 12 months. Okay, 6,500. Okay, then she saved 450 rupees in the first month. 450 rupees in the first month, and raised her saving, that means increased, and raised her saving by 20 rupees every next month, and raised her saving 20 rupees every next month, and raised her saving by 20 rupees every next month. Okay, how much will be able to save? How much will be able to save in next 12 months? How much will be able to save in next 12 months? Okay, next 12 months. Yeah, 450 first, then 470, like that. What else? Okay. No. First month 450, next month 470, like that. Like that, 12 months she saved. Okay. Question: will she able to send her daughter? Will she be able to send? Will she be able to send her daughter to school next year? Because she has to pay the fees. Question is, will she be able to send her daughter to school next year? Okay, try now. So you check it and decide whether can send or not. Okay, try fast. After 12 months, how much she saved? 6720. That means what? Whether she can send to, is it possible or not? That you have to answer it. Okay. Okay, so finish now this one. Okay. So you got 450, 470, etc., and 12 months. N is equal to 12. So we can find out S12. Okay, clear now. So we are going to next part. You don't have doubt? Okay, Sarash. Okay, so next question, right? Find the sum. Look, this is star question. Okay, find the sum. Two plus. Not right now. I'll show this one. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. plus 200. Okay. Look at here. Find the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. 200. We have to find out the sum. Okay, look at here, done right now. It's quite simple. Look, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, this formula we can apply it. Look, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus a. A is what? 2. An is what? N is what? Come on, n what? 200. So finish. But one thing is missing. Which one? N. N we have to find out. Look at here. Listen here. Don't write now. So first start like this. Don't wait. First you write Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So list it. A equal to 2. an equal to 200. So an equal to 200. So a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 200. A 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 2 equal to 200. N minus 2, so n minus 1 into 2 equal to 198. Okay, n minus 1 equal to 198 divided by 2. How much? 99. Correct or no? 99. So n equal to 100. So n equal to 100. Right? Correct or no? Listen once again. It's a star question. Listen. First you write Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This is the easy formula. Okay? Because first term and last term already there. So n by 2 into a plus an. A equal to 2. An equal to 200. Then a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 200. 2 plus n minus 1 into 2 equal to 200. N minus 1 into 2 equal to 198. Okay. So n minus 1 equal to 99. N equal to 100. You can follow now, right? I'm going a little fast. You can follow, right or not? Okay, then repeat the Miss Jonathan. Listen. Those who miss, look at here. The question is find the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc plus 200. Then we apply Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay. A mojud 2. An is 200. Okay. Missing part is n. Okay. Then to find n, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 200. So 2 plus n minus 1 into 2 equal to 200. 2 going that side, 198. You got n equal to 100. Then just apply here. 100 by 2 into 2 plus 200. So you find out this one, you got the answer. Okay. 10, 100, right? Okay. Try fast. Okay, finish. Answer is 100. 100. Here also you made a mistake. 200. How? Gavri, you got? Okay, so next question, right? Right. 10. Answer is 10100. Why you asking me this doubt, man? 50 into 1, 50 into 202. You find out. What's the answer? What? Okay. Next question, right? 3 plus, right? 3 plus 11 plus 19, etc., etc. 803. 3, 3 plus 11 plus 19, 19, etc., etc. 803. 803. 3 plus 11 plus 19 plus etc., etc. 803. Try now. Okay, I'll finish all. Okay, I have finished all, right? Okay, next one, right? Next question. Two questions I'll give you, okay? So you try yourself, okay? Right. Question number 1. -5 plus -8 plus -11 plus etc. plus -230. First question. Second question. 25 plus 28, 31 plus etc. plus 100. Okay. 25 plus 28 plus 31 plus etc. etc. 100. First question, -5, -8, -11 plus etc. -230. Try both questions. Yes, 40703 correct. Okay. minus 8930. Okay, next one. First, okay, second one. Second one is how much? 1625. The first one answer is minus 8930. Second one 1625. Okay, do fast. Finish it fast. Arjun, you got? Arjun, finish or not? Okay, finish. Look, that is a map, man, for us. They send me the map. Okay. After payment, they send me the map. Before payment, they didn't send it. Okay. So next question. Okay, next one, star question. Listen here. Okay, next star question. You have to try yourself. Okay. Okay. Solve. Right. Solve -4 plus -1 plus 2 plus 5 plus etc. plus x equal to 437. Okay, -4. You have to find the value of. X. -4 plus -1 plus 2 etc. plus x equal to 437. 437. Okay, do it first. Okay, you're trying, no? Right? Hello. Okay. Let's start on. Then I'll explain. Okay. Exactly like previous question. 3-4 question we did know. Use that idea, Maria. Yes. You try. Okay. That is ask me Mansuri. Okay. 164. Okay, let us see. One three zero four. Oh, such a big number. Come on. Rubasri, when we add, we'll get only 437. Right? When we add all the numbers, we'll get 437. You got one number is 1304. What the? Come on. Look at here. Tell me if you were less. You got the right? Okay, let us see. Eight again. Eight. How come 867 possible? The total is 437 only. Okay, look at here now. So overall got, let us see, I don't have the answer now. Let me check. Look, here, I like here -4, you can see, no? Okay, here, -4 plus -1 plus 2 plus etc. plus x equal to 437. Okay, look at here. Not right now. Wait, this is a star question. Look at here. Actually, Sn equal to 437, right? Sn equal to 437. That is n by 2 into a plus an equal to 437. Okay, n by 2 into a minus 4 plus x equal to 437. Okay, only missing what? X you have to find out. Oh, that's all. Okay, and also you don't know. Now listen here. Up to here, okay? Once again, you write Sn equal to 437. So n by 2 into a plus an equal to 437. So n by 2 into -4 plus x equal to 437. Now look, an, like previous question, 100 we took an equal to here x, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to x, -4 plus n minus 1 into d, how much? 3. Correct or no? 2 minus -1. Okay, 3 equal to x. N minus 1 into 3 equal to x plus 4. So n minus 1 equal to x plus 4 by 3. N equal to x plus 4 by 3 plus 1. That is x plus 7 by 3. Okay, you got n now, right up to here. Check the note. Okay, up to here, check. Listen all, everyone check up to here. N equal to x plus 7 by 3. If not getting, tell me now, because very important question this. Okay, other formula, no problem. That's no problem. You use a 2a plus n minus 1 in d. But how will you get the x? That's the problem. I told you, know, if the nth term is given, why can't you use that one? Okay, if you get okay, no problem. Okay, both are same only. Okay, we got how come 7? Who asked this one? Say Say how? It is LCM. How 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 3. How? 1 plus 3 plus 3? That finds LCM. Shreya, right? Okay. So now we got n equal to, check this part, check, it's important part. N equal to x plus 7 by 3. Okay, now are you clear or not? Up to here, all guys. Hello. Not you, maybe some other. Okay. That is another say. Okay, look at here now. Now we're going to here now. Listen. You're going to cut and paste here. Look. Instead of n, x plus 7 divided by 6. Why 6? X plus 7 by 3 by 2, 6 into minus 4 plus x equal to, what is the number? 437, right? What is that one? 437. I don't know. 437, right? Correct or no? Okay, 437. Okay, that is x plus 7 into x minus 4 equal to 437 into 437 into 6. So this one, x square plus 3x minus 28 equal to, you find out that. For 437 into 6, how much? You find out. Four, 3, 7 into 6. 2622. Okay, then x square plus 3x minus 2622 plus 28. 2650. 2650. Now go to b square minus 4ac, then you can find out. Okay. Go to b square minus 4ac and get the value of x. If you are very good in splitting, then okay. You will get x equal to 50. Okay, so now try next question. Okay, clear now. So this is a start question. Okay, right? Simple question. Find the sum of, next question. Find the sum of, not finished. Okay, okay, I'll wait. What is the problem? You didn't understand after finding n. After finding n, okay, what is the, listen, what is the formula for sum? N by 2 into a plus an. Correct or no? Whereas n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, then everything here. Yeah, n by 2. That means n is x plus 3 by 3. By 2 means 6. N by 6. Agree or no? That part okay? The formula is what? N by 2. But n is x plus 7 by 3. So x by 7 by 6. A is minus 4. An is x. Okay. 6 is going other side. 437 into 6. Balance what? X plus 7 into x minus 4. X minus 4. Open the bracket. X square. When you open the bracket, you will get x square plus 3x. 7 plus minus 1, 3x minus 28. This much. All coming here, we get x square plus 3x minus 2650. One quadratic equation. Clear now? Okay. So, next question. Find the sum of find the sum of 11 terms of an AP. Find the sum of 11 terms of an AP. Find the sum of 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Whose middlemost term is 30. Once again, find the sum of 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Find the sum of 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Okay, try now. We have to find sum of 11 terms. Okay, given is middlemost term is 30. Okay, try now. Answer is what? I don't know. Your middle term is 30. This guy net is low. Every question you asking. Jonathan, correct. Question is what? Find the sum of 11 terms. Find the sum of 11 terms whose middle term is 30. Find the sum of 11 terms whose middle term is 30. That's only. Lakshmi, wrong. It's wrong. Anja, maybe correct. Okay. Okay, I'll show this one. Look at here. Look. The question is saying, find the sum of 11 terms. Okay, S11, look, S11 equal to 11 by 2 into 2A plus 10D. Agree or no? This you have to find out. Right? S11 means 11 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So that is 11 by 2 into 2 outside A plus 6D. Okay, that will 11 into A plus 6D. This you have to find out. But, okay, the middlemost term is 30. Look, if n is 11, middle term is what? N is 11, middle term is what? N, listen, n is, listen, n is 11 means odd number. Odd number means what? 11 plus 1, 6. 11 plus 1, 12, sixth term. Okay, sixth term is, look, A plus 6D, sorry, A plus, look at, here it is 5, right? Okay, 5, okay. So then A plus 5D equal to 30. Go to here, finish. Okay, correct or no? Number of term is odd number. Middle term is what? N plus 1 by 2. This guy did not study anything. Number of term is odd number. N equal to odd. So n plus 1 by 2. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 2, sixth term. Sixth term is A plus 5D equal to 30. Finish. Yeah, 330. Okay. Okay, finish now. So 330 is the answer. Okay, next question, right? The sum of third and seventh term of an AP. The sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6. The sum of third and seventh, A3 plus A7 equal to 6. And their product, A3 into A7 equal to 8. A3 into A7 equal to 8. Okay, find the sum of first 16 terms. Find the sum of first 16 terms. Okay, question. A3, sorry, listen. A3 plus A7 equal to 6. A3 plus A7 equal to 6. A3 into A7 equal to 8. Find S16. That's the question. Find S16. Clear now? Okay, try now. A3 plus A7 equal to 6. A3 into A7 equal to 8. Find S16. Okay, try now. This is a start question. Okay. Question on A3 plus A7 equal to 6. A3 into A7 equal to 8. Find S16. Okay, you try now. Forty-five. I don't know. Let's check. Anybody got? Yeah, that is Saya. Maybe correct. I got two answers. Okay, fine. Maria, what are the two answers? What are the two answers? 26 and 20. Yeah, fine. 26 and 20. 76 and 20. Yeah, good. Very good. Okay, let us see. Come on, I'll show this one. Look. A3 plus A7 equal to 6. A plus 2D plus A plus 6D equal to 6. A plus 2D plus A plus 6D equal to 6. 2A plus 8D equal to 6. A plus 4D equal to 3. So A equal to 3 minus 4D. Call it number 1. Look at here. The question is the sum of third and seventh. A3 plus A7 equal to 6. Okay. A plus 2D plus A plus 6D equal to 6. 2A plus 8D equal to 6. A plus 4D equal to 3. A equal to 3 minus 4D. Then product A3 into A7 equal to how much? 8. Okay, apply here. A3, A plus 2D into A plus 6D equal to 8. A 3 minus 4D plus 2D into 3 minus 4D plus 6D equal to 8. So that is 3 minus 2D into 3 plus 2D equal to 8. So that is 9 minus 4D square equal to 8. Minus 4D square equal to minus 1. D square equal to 1 by 4. D equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay, we got D equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay, right up to here. Right first up to here. Anyone doubt up to here? Tell me. Oh, you can't see the board. Why? Everything can see. Look, okay. Listen here. Apurva, listen. I'll read. A3 plus A. Listen. A3 plus A7 equal to 6. A plus 2D plus A plus 6D equal to 6. 2A plus 6. Sorry, 8D equal to 6. A plus 4D equal to 3. So A equal to 3 minus 4D. Up to here, okay or not? Apurva. Okay, then A3 into A7 equal to 8. A plus 2D plus A plus 6D equal to 8. A replacing 3 minus 4D plus 2D, 3 minus 4D plus 6D equal to 8. So 3 minus 2D, 3 plus 2D equal to 8. So we got 9 minus 4D square equal to 8. 3 square minus 4D, 2D all square. So D square we got plus or minus 2. Okay, then, sorry, plus or minus 1 by 2. Then, look, when D equal to 1 by 2, what is A? A what? Oh, I forgot, I dropped that. What is A? Tell me A. No, what is that formula? What? Don't say answer. A, how much you got? A equal, okay, 3 minus 4D. 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Then you find out S16. One answer will get. A equal to 1, D equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Second part. When D equal to minus 1 by 2, A equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Correct or no? So A equal to, D equal to minus 1 by 2, A equal to 5. So then again you find out S16. Okay, so we'll get two answers. One answer is 76, next is 20. Correct. Okay, so you have Sunday will start the new chapter AP. Okay, and Sunday you have test based on Sunday trigonometry, and now we finish these chapters. Sunday trigonometry, then but you have test on based on AP only. Okay, this is enough today.
Okay.